Hey guys, welcome back to the channel everyone. What's going on everybody? And today is 18th of February 2020 and I'm making this video on FASTag. Just before today there was a rule that every car should have a FASTag, otherwise they have to pay the double of the toll prices if you pay through cash and all. And in that scenario, and who owns a car has to know about where we can get fastags and all. You can get fastag from the banks or the nearest toll stations, and also from Paytm, and you can get it either there, here or there. And one of the matters that I followed is I had been to HDFC Bank. I had an account there, so I had been to an HDFC Bank near me, and there I inquired for the fastag, and they said that the charges for the fastag is around 500 rupees. And I will completely explain you the procedure for getting the fastag from the banks. I had been to bank today at 10:30. Staff was very friendly, and I asked them about the fastag, and they had taken my number. First, you have to give your customer ID and your PAN card details for that one, and they will form a procedure of. They will enter your name and your customer ID, followed by your PAN number and all, and they will get your OTP, and you should provide that OTP to your representative, and that representative will do further steps. And after doing that further steps, they will ask for your driving license number and also your vehicle's RC card. And after that they will take fastag, and there will be a barcode mentioned on that, and below that barcode there will be a number. They will mention that number, and they register that number on to your account. Based on that, your fastag is being linked to that account, and after that you need to pay cash of 500 rupees to the HDFC Bank debit card only. And one thing to note guys, if you want to pay it online and the payment mode is through debit card, you have to make the debit card transaction of that bank only. So I use my HDFC debit card to make that transaction, and they provided me this leaflet. Inside this leaflet, it consists of three things: your fastag, and here you will get the thing I said that here you will get this number. This is your number of fastag, and if you get through HDFC Bank, you will get the bank logo here, and if you get through Paytm or any other bank, so you will get the respective logos here. And after that there is easy steps to attach your fastag, and here they have mentioned that first you have to open the envelope cover and remove the fastag sticker, and after that you have to place the fastag facing the customer care number on your side, so that you should if it is the windscreen and it is the external and it is the internal, here it will be the rear view mirror, and you should face it, and you should stick it like this facing you. So you should stick like this facing you, and after that you get full leaflet explaining about the procedure to log into your fastag account. First you need to go to the hdfc.com/fastag, and after that you should click on the retail login and do the first time user, and click the option of first time user on the homepage on the fastag portal. And then after that you have to enter any two details that are being mentioned below. That is the other, you have to enter the customer ID or the wallet ID or the vehicle ID. That is, the vehicle ID means the passing the number of your vehicle, and after that you have to enter the mobile number that you had provided at the time of receiving the fastag, and you have to enter the captcha means you have to enter the captcha, and after that there will be a OTP sent to your register number that you had been provided at the time of the fastag. And on successful validation of the OTP, the portal will then prompt you to enter the new password which you need to set. These are the procedure for the getting of the fastag to your car or any vehicle. So finally I got my fastag today, and make sure that it is support for the Digital India campaign, so that there will be less hassles during our travels and all, and so that everyone can get through ease with the installation of such modernistic features. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. Hope to see you in the next video, and if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Hope to see you in the next video soon.